Thiko ya kere ya guthikiririo gwa cira wa BBI igoti-ini rikaru na mawakiri a miena yeri mathire na mbere na guthukania hinya wa kiwatho mbere ya acirithania mugwanja o mwena ukigeria kuonania gitumi kia niki kingituma mutaratara wa gucenjia gatiba kugerera BBI uriukio kana itua ria igoti ria gucokia cira riko riria riarugamirie mutaratara uyu rikindirwo.
Text and spirit of the constitution.
Ndeto igie kana gatiba ni batie ni gucenjio icunji ciothe kana cia thire na mbere na kuheo urito munene na mawakiri ya mung'ethaniro ni mageririe kumomora itumi na uira wothe uria uraheanitwo ni mawakiri a mwena wa thirikari.
Basic structure means that part of the constitution that cannot be amended because it is specially protected. Normally, it is specially protected from Parliament.
Basic structure can only be altered through the primary constituent power.
Atonye ni ageririe kuiguithia igoti ati president ari na kihoto gia kwambiriria mutaratara wa gucenjia gatiba na ninge ndangithitangwo ari wabici-ini amu ni mugitire ni watho no murugamo wake niungetheirwo ni mawakiri matongoretio ni Murara Omoka na Nelson Havi aria maheanire utauku ngurani wa icunji cia watho iria ciragwetwo ni mawakiri a thirikari cigimainie na ndeto ino.
The real promoters of the popular initiative then are the people who styled themselves as the BBI National Secretariat.
The Constitution Amendment Bill 2020 had all manner of footprints of the president in it, including how the process was initiated after the handshake, and actually to comment that Dennis Waweru and Junet Mohammed only jumped to the ship later on.
Na kana kamite ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ni yombetwo kuringana na watho hindi ya gutwarithia na mbere mutaratara uyu ni undu ungi ugucaneirio kimeciiria ni mawakiri a mwena wa thirikari makinyitirira ati ona thengia wa gukorwo no makamishina atatu tu mari wabici-ini hindi ya mutaratara uyu ti undu ungiagiririe mutaratara uyu thie na mbere no ningi meciiria maya ni makararirio ni aruna ao aria maugite ati watho ni utauritwo na njira ina mahitia.
If any blame should go anywhere, it should go to the appointing authorities, not to the victim commission. IBC was here just a victim of circumstance, not of its own making.
What we have in the Article 251 is the composition, the minimum number of commissioners required to be properly constituted, which is 3. But quorum is a different question. It's about the functionality, the day-to-day operation of a commission.
Hamwe na uguo uhoro wa uria muingi wa kuruhanirio ni wikireirwo nganja ni mawakiri a mung'ethaniro makiuga ati mutaratara uyu ni wahikirwo na ati Wanjiku ndaheirwo kanya.
Many things were not done. For instance, there was no what is then happening in that case is what we would say is illusory, what is cosmetic, what is not does not give the public reasonable opportunity to study the bill before they can give their consent, before they endorse.
Muthenya wa rucio niguo wa muthia guthikiriria cira uyu gaka aliko kamweke ka muthia kuri mawakiri a thirikari kuiguithia igoti rikaru ririukia BBI. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.